Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make mojito syrup. First, understand that a good mojito starts with a flavorful syrup. This guide will walk you through combining fresh ingredients to create a vibrant, aromatic base for your favorite drink. You'll learn how to infuse the classic mint and lime notes directly into a simple syrup, ensuring every sip of your mojito is perfectly balanced and refreshing. To begin, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients. Gently wash about 15 to 20 mint leaves and zest 1 whole lime, being careful to avoid the bitter white pith. Now, combine the measured sugar and water in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear, simple syrup. Once the sugar has fully dissolved and the syrup is clear, it's time to add the aromatic elements. Carefully place the fresh mint leaves and the lime zest into the hot, simple syrup. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. This crucial step allows the mint and lime flavors to deeply infuse into the syrup, creating that signature mojito taste. Do not boil vigorously. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the syrup to cool completely to room temperature. This cooling period further enhances the flavor infusion. Once cool, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, airtight container, discarding the used mint and lime zest. Your homemade mojito syrup is now ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.